What if I told you there's a crab that doesn't build its own home? The hermit crab lives inside empty snail shells and changes homes as it grows. Some hermit crabs even line up to exchange shells with one another. In this video, you'll discover 50 amazing hermit crab facts that will completely change the way you see this incredible little creature. Let's get started. Fact number 1. The hermit crab is a real crab, but it has a soft abdomen. Fact number 2. Unlike most crabs, hermit crabs cannot grow their own hard shell. Fact number 3. They live inside empty snail shells for protection. Fact number 4. As they grow, they move into larger shells. Fact number 5. A hermit crab can change its shell in just a few seconds. Fact number 6. There are more than 800 species of hermit crabs. Fact number 7. Some hermit crabs live in the ocean. Fact number 8. Others spend most of their lives on land. Fact number 9. Hermit crabs carry their homes wherever they go. Fact number 10. They are excellent climbers. Fact number 11. Most hermit crabs are more active at night. Fact number 12. Their eyes are located on long stalks. Fact number 13. They use their antennae to explore their surroundings. Fact number 14. Hermit crabs eat fruits, plants, algae, and dead animals. Fact number 15. They help keep beaches clean by eating decaying organic matter. Fact number 16. Hermit crabs have an excellent sense of smell. Fact number 17. When they feel threatened, hermit crabs quickly hide inside their shells. Fact number 18. A hermit crab has a soft, curved abdomen that fits perfectly inside a spiral shell. Fact number 19. Without a shell, a hermit crab becomes vulnerable to predators and dehydration. Fact number 20. Many hermit crabs live in groups and often search for new shells together. Fact number 21. Sometimes several hermit crabs line up while waiting for a better shell. Fact number 22. One shell change can trigger a chain of shell swaps. Fact number 23. Scientists call this behavior a shell exchange chain. Fact number 24. Hermit crabs carefully inspect a shell before moving into it. Fact number 25. They always choose a shell that fits their body perfectly. Fact number 26. Their claws help them grip their shells tightly. Fact number 27. One claw is usually much larger than the other. Fact number 28. The larger claw acts like a protective door. Fact number 29. Some hermit crabs can live for more than 30 years. Fact number 30. Hermit crabs shed their exoskeleton as they grow. Fact number 31. The process of shedding is called molting. Fact number 32. After molting, their bodies remain soft for several days. Fact number 33. They usually stay hidden until their new exoskeleton hardens. Fact number 34. Hermit crabs come in many beautiful colors. Fact number 35. Some species are bright red, orange, blue, or purple. Fact number 36. They are naturally curious animals. Fact number 37. Hermit crabs enjoy exploring new objects around them. Fact number 38. Land hermit crabs need both fresh water and salt water to survive. Fact number 39. They use modified gills to breathe. Fact number 40. Hermit crabs can sometimes eat coconut and other tropical fruits. Fact number 41. They are commonly found on tropical beaches and islands. Fact number 42. Birds, octopuses, and large fish are their natural predators. Fact number 43. Hermit crabs can detect tiny vibrations around them. Fact number 44. A good shell is essential for their survival. Fact number 45. Plastic pollution is becoming a serious threat to hermit crabs. Fact number 46. A shortage of empty shells makes life difficult for them. Fact number 47. Some hermit crabs decorate their shells with sea anemones for extra protection. Fact number 48. Hermit crabs have existed on Earth for millions of years. Fact number 49. They are among the most unique crustaceans in the animal kingdom. Fact number 50. Despite their tiny size, hermit crabs are intelligent survivors that always find a way to protect themselves. Thanks for watching. Which hermit crab fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing animal facts. Subscribe to Physical Facts for more incredible wildlife, creepy creatures, and fascinating animal facts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.